Alright guys, so now we are at Animal Kingdom. Alright. Ready? Tight squeeze. Alright. So we just wrapped up over at Fort Wilderness Resort. It was actually a lot of fun. Where are you going? Are you going this way?
Yeah. This
Why?
section here.
Interesting. Alright guys, let's go and get into the park. We got a lot to do today. And a lot of time to do it in.
That's right.
Yeah. God, I love that cute girl. I think I found a more annoying noise than my laughter. Tiff, what's more annoying, me or that?
I don't know.
Because driver, we are clear for dispatch.
You ready? It's been a while since we took a tram.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving.
Definitely is one of the more beautiful parks. Alright, let's get in here. So this is actually a change since we were last here. I don't remember the walls being up, do you? And over here we already have Encanto.
I know cheddar. Today I eat Friday. Pizza.
Animal Kingdom has always been one of the more relaxing favorite spots. It's just so tranquil and so nice just to walk around, get some nice exercise in. But one of the best parts about coming here to Animal Kingdom is that there's not a rush to get on different attractions.
Oh, the eater's about to come over.
You can just relax, take your time, just slow yourself down for a little bit. It's just so comforting and relaxing. We'll bypass the picture for now. And look, it's Kevin.
As loud as we can. That's Walt. Qui le plus fort qu'on peut. Wake up fish, okay? On the count of three. Wake up fish. Ready?
Wake up, fish!
1, 2, 3. Wake up fish! Wake up! It's like 11:30. Why are you sleeping? Did you guys see any movement? Did anybody? No. I don't know. Well, thank you guys for trying to help. I don't know, Kevin. I think
Bambi and Thumper. I really think Thumper's relative was the one that we saw in Wish yesterday. It would make sense.
Okay.
Bubbles!
Still got a shadow on my face.
Alright, we need to try for another photo spot. We will find the thumbnail spot. I don't know how long it'll take, but we will find it. Should be just the best kisses. They're so cute. Love that cute brat. fish.
I heard baby out.
We got pink ones over there. Oh, it's close.
Golden margarita, buffalo chicken chips, and trio bites twist. So I can't have the golden margarita. That Dole Whip does sound pretty good. No, you can't sit. You gotta move.
Oh no, it's not.
Come on. Come on. We still got a lot to do. No rest for the weary.
Alright. What is that smell? It smells really sweet.
Then it's you. Because you're sweet. Donald's Dino Bash. Honestly, this is one of the areas that I am thankful is going away. So all of this area is going to be going away soon, and it's going to be Encanto.
Yeah.
See?
Yes. I think not.
Yeah. Honestly, this was one of the worst areas that was ever designed, and it should have been something called a mythological area, where you could see mythological beasts, unicorns, and in the parking lot, there is a unicorn section because of that reason. Tiffany knows I get real passionate about this part. And the reason why is because, so way back when they were actually building Animal Kingdom, originally there was going to be a mythological area. It would have had unicorns, it would have had all kinds of cool stuff and dragons. But Disney executives, they pulled it back, said we can't really afford to do that. So instead we got Dino Land. And basically we got one ride, some carnival style rides, and that was about it. Now, why this is important is because soon enough, this will be Encanto, but also more importantly,
Next to it's gonna be
Joe Road is actually coming back, who actually spearheaded the project of building Animal Kingdom. And it's kind of like one of those where he did great on some areas of Animal Kingdom, but on this area, he dropped the ball. And I get why he dropped the ball, because of the budget. Disney, they wanted to scale it back a bit, and I get it, because they were just coming off of that major loss from Euro Disney over in France. So I completely understand that. But I hope that they do it properly this time. But only time will tell. Whew, that was a lot to say.
yeah, take a breath next time.
I can't,
Yes, you can.
because I get too passionate. You know that about me.
Come on, Boogies.
The most honest sign. Rides of extinction, because soon enough, this area will be extinct and gone. Though I can't actually ride the ride, I can admire the incredible engineering that did go into it. That's just remarkable. All the hard work and talent that did. Pretty cool. doesn't.
He is just so cute. Okay, that is I guess it's the only place you can get it. But it's so heavy.
What is it, like $39, $49?
I do not know. $44.99.
I was in the middle.
He's heavy. Yes.
I can't believe you actually think it's heavy. It's not.
You saw my arm just crack, right?
That's actually good and refreshing right now.
Oh my god. Yes. Very cold though.
And what I do like is they don't put anything extra in it, like sucrose or
Please
aspartame.
help. I don't think they do. I would taste it.
No,
Slowly,
and there's also no
right?
stevia
Slowly.
too.
No, it tastes exactly like it says, strawberry banana. What
Yeah,
I
there's
love about
none.
this.
There's no extra things like that. It's really good. And it's pretty decent for you. I don't know if it's actually good for you, but it's decent for you.
Yeah, it has potassium in
Compared
it.
to like soda.
And magnesium, which you need when you're hot. And there should be sodium, but I'm not
And one of the
seeing
things
it.
I hate about Powerade lately is they've been going and putting sucrose in at the very end. Did you notice that?
Yeah, there's sodium in it. Yes, I know.
She's just really hot. And cute. Hot and cute. Nuts. Look at her. She
trying
looks
to
so
rest.
irritated.
Yeah, but I'm also trying to rest.
What?
My legs are killing me.
No!
Yes.
No! I wish you had 10%, no, 5% of my energy level.
I would prefer 10.
Here it is, the magical spot. The it spot. The place you can get the ultimate thumbnail of the tree party.
Third second chance, you take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open enough just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and
After this, I will stop annoying you so much. Here.
Hot. Very
So,
hot.
this was originally going to be a little river road for mythical Beastland. And it would have taken you throughout the area, and this would have been one of the little stone areas. I think it was just how cold it was. So we have arrived. We are transitioning into Pandora now. It has been a fun, crazy day so far. Walking around Wilderness Resort, walking around here now. We're definitely doing our walking. And boy, does it feel good today. On this side.
Dad.
How about I put a drink in your backpack?
Hot. Oh yeah. He home.
This one.
Real quick. Look at this.
Okay, shut up. We'll see later in editing.
It's weaving it. It's pretty cool actually, but that is a high.
I hate Amy. I hate so tough.
No, it will not, Lily.
Ta. It's sorry I bit.
So you feel 30 today?
I wish.
I do too. You're cute for a 38-year-old.
No, you're not. Not yet. Don't make me older than I am. You guys. I don't smell it.
Yeah, I think the sweat is too strong.
Yeah. Oh, now I smell
Did I just see you yawn?
Maybe. Somebody's tired too.
Hi, two. I hate salt.
Seriously, calling it quits.
The work that they did in here. And if they do this for Encanto, I think it could actually turn out
I'm interested. I hope they make the ride for a kid. I really do.
Or not exactly like toddler, but like more than what Legoland did with their new ride over in California.
Well, of course, but I wanted enough that she could ride it.
I know, but I want it to be like an 8 to 9-year-old range.
Yeah, but those type of kids can ride roller coasters.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so after talking with Tiffany, she's getting a little bit tired. Lil's getting a little tired too.
I'm
So
so tired.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're not going to do the safari trek and the Asian trek today and the other one over in Africa. We're going to go ahead and just head out of here, go to the Winter Garden and other shopping areas and just relax. Just take it easy the rest of the day. So guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, comment for more suggestions on what you want to see and other things that you want us to do.
Smash that like button.
There we go.
Smash the like button. Yeah.
See? Just do what he said. Thank you. We'll see you next time. This would make it for a nice little nightlight, but for $30, I don't know.
It feels like it's blow up, like a blow up bag.
Oh my god, that is so weird. It also takes me back to bad memories.
Okay.
You know, of having to blow those up before you could get in the pool for your relatives.
It does. It feels like one of those pool blow up
You remember
bags.
those days, don't you?
Yes.
And it's for $19.99.
It does. It feels like a pool.
definitely feels ceramic. It doesn't feel plastic. Here, hold it.
Holy crap, it's 80 bucks.
From the new shorts. Big Macs. You hardly see Big Mac stuff actually over here.
What?
Hey, Big Macs!
No.
Get over here!
Ow, right?
See?
Heavy. So
Imagine. Oh my gosh. Hey. Imagine keeping that white all day long at Disney.
I wouldn't be able to.
It would be ruined. Ruined. I think this is one of my favorite bags.
Yes or no? I don't know what you want.
Although it's only missing Ellie. You're my Ellie. I'm gonna grow old with you.
Well, they did grow old together. I do have to admit
See?
that. They at least did.
Unfortunately, I couldn't have children, but.